Hello, my billionaire family. I know, right? It's been a while. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry for me not uploading since all this while. I'm just so sorry. Your girl has been so occupied. That is why. And I've stopped doing makeup, so I've been really busy doing cakes, snacks, and other stuffs. So that's why, guys. So you'll be seeing more of my cake recipe now. So today video will be on carrot cake, how you can make carrots at home, how you can make your carrot. These are the things I will be using. I will list everything that I use, the recipe that I use, everything, the measurements, everything. I will list it in description box below. So if you want to do this, just try and have your measurement cup. That is very important, very important. So I'll be listing everything that I use. I'll list it in the description box. The the carrot cake I'm making here, I want to make for my clients. My client just want to eat it, and my children will be disturbing me also that they want to eat cake, so I just make it a little much so that it will be enough for my children and for my clients also. So that is what I'm basically doing here. So I'm using my measurement cup. Just make sure you have your measurement cup, guys. It's very important you should have your measurement cup. Then if you are using any oil, try and make sure your oil should be King's oil, because that is the one I make use of here. So like that. So just try and make use of your measurement cup. It's very important. If you don't eat too much of too much of sugar, you can reduce the sugar. That is the measurement of the sugar that I use here. Instead of using 3 measurements of sugar, using 3 cup of measurement, you can just go for like 2.5 or 2 cup. So anyhow you want it, but all what I use here, I'll be listing it in the description box below. So this cake is so easy, very simple to follow. Let me leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. I will talk to you in the next one. Do let me know if you want to see more of cake videos. I will be glad to film it for you guys. I will be so glad to film it for you guys. So that is it. Alright, guys. So yeah, I'm adding my carrots, but it depends on how you want your carrot to show very well in the cake. If you want your carrot to show very well in the cake, you can just use much carrots. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I didn't really want mine to be too much, so that is why I didn't use everything. So I'll be adding the rest of the flour. I've poured the rest of the flour now. Just mix it very well. Mix it very well. So that is what I'm basically doing now. So this, if you are doing your carrot cocoa, yes, carrot cake, guys, there's no need of you using mixer. You can just make use of your hand. Use your hand with this. You can just use this, and this does not cost much. It's like 1,500 or so. It's not more than that. So just look at, if you are through with your carrots, this is how your carrot cake should be. If you don't want it to be this thick, you can just add a little milk like that. So look at that, guys. You can just add milk. So I'm adding a little milk there. So just add it to bring it, to just add more flavor to it. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just mixing it like so. Mix. So that is it. So this is it. Just look at the way our carrot cake is so moist. Guys, if you taste this carrot cake, you will love it. Just give it a try. You will really love it. This is my first time of filming like cake recipe. I don't really know how to go about it, but I'm very sure next time it will be much better than this. Love you guys. Bye.